In this video, I'm gonna show you how to stop Android from spying you. Big tech companies are watching you without you knowing. I'll tell you how these apps track you and why Android phones are better at keeping your information private compared to iPhones. To stop your Android phone from spying you, go to your phone settings and tap on Privacy Protection. Now you need to decide which apps can see your contacts. For example, the Amazon Shopping app doesn't need to know your friends and family's contacts. It's alright to let social media apps have your contacts, but only at the start. After that, it's best not to let them. The next step is the location. Pick which apps can know where you are. Decide which apps can know your location and how often. Choosing Ask Every Time or Deny is a good way to handle location permission. There is also another drawback of allowing apps using your location. For instance, if you let an app track your location, it can use up your phone battery quickly. That is because GPS uses a lot of battery power.